Welcome back to Weekend with Reigncane. If you had a week like mine, you are ready for a weekend with Reigncane. So this drink is called a Bijou, spelled like Bijou. Originally made with gin, but if you didn't know this, gin is actually vodka 48 hours before it's gin. It's just an infused vodka, so not too far off here to mix up a gin and a vodka cocktail, obviously like a martini like last weekend. So this is kind of a riff on a martini. It's very similar, so for your martini drinkers out there, if you like herbal drinks, this one's gonna be for you. We're using Green Chartreuse right here, so this is very herbal. I mean, if you open this bottle and smell it, you're gonna think you're smelling a flower. And then Sweet Vermouth and Reigncane, so let's get to it. All right. So we have 1.5 ounces of Reigncane. We have 3/4 ounce of Green Chartreuse. And we have 1/2 ounce of Sweet Vermouth. There it is, our Bijou. Spelled like Bijou. Cheers.